Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or website, either or. I'll leave my affiliate link down below for Amazon. And if it's a website, I'll leave the link. I'll leave them down below and just click on that. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And this is coming from... Aha! This is a FITCAMX 4K Ultra HD dash cam, ideal for driving. This is Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, wide dynamic range. So now's the time to get these. These are a lifesaver, especially now. People are driving crazy. And you got your own security system for your car. That is 100% right to your mobile app. Or your tablet or wherever. Let's get into this. Good packaging. We got some goodies in here. And we got some goodies in here. Of course, we got the manual. We'll take it for a sample run. Set it up and everything. We got some goodies in here. We got a USB wire tucker to tuck the wires in. That's a nice one. Of course, we got the cables. Can't forget about these. Whoa. Got some fuses. What the heck is all this? A bunch of stuff. Okay. Got the manual. Definitely going to be needing that. You could do App Store or Google Play. Either or. You got the mounting bracket. Look at this. Yep. This is it. This is the mounting bracket. If I could get it out, that would be great. Got an interesting hook to it. Ah, okay. Yeah. One of those types. Come on. There we go. Kind of like an old school lamp. Got that there. That little guy there. You should know what to do with that. And this is a camera. Let me tuck these away. Definitely, if you're in the market right now, buy this for yourself or a gift to somebody. The holidays are fast approaching. But great for DoorDash drivers, any type of delivery service. Got 3M stick. Inside. USB. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely an interesting one. I'm not sure what else do I need. I think that's it. Be right back. Now, install time. Here we go. Be right back. There we go. We take this tool that it came with. Pop this thing out. Easy peasy. Then install camera with this tool. Line it up good. Got the double-sided sticky, so you're good to go. Yeah. Should take you about maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Took me a little bit longer. I'm not used to this kind of dash cam, but Took me maybe an hour. So, but I had other things going on too. So, don't hold it against me. And then boom. Then we pop this thing right there. Twist. That comes out. And then make sure everything's lined up. Pop that out. Now you're going to want to install it back in. Like so. Take this wire out. Pop. And then you add the camera. Boom. Coming up. Make sure you twist it. Turn it. You're good to go. And then boom. And here's the fun part. See? Well, we are good to go. I had to put the voiceover. Neighbors having a party, so I don't want to get copyrighted music. Just slide the cover in like that. And then you're good to go. And also, and here's the app. You can download it on the App Store or the Google. So easy peasy. This install. You got a lot of choices to choose from. I'm not sure why my phone is flickering at the time. It's all good. But we are moving along as fast as we can. And then this switch it back. You can have it up to 4K. So at the end you can see a little test drive we did night and day. Amazing quality camera, guys, to protect your car. And then the monitoring, you can have it loop for a minute, because that's all you need. You know, just about a minute. And there we go. How easy it is to connect. Very smooth. And then go back to the settings. And you should be good to go. See right there, up to 4K. And then this is what I mean for the looping. You can have it a minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. But if you have it on like 4K a minute, it shouldn't take too much memory. But like 3 and 5 minutes, then you get into the memory. But all you need is a good minute clip in case something ever happens, which hopefully it doesn't. But just in case, it's here. Like I said, easy to set up, easy to use, and now we're going to go for a ride. Here we go. Cruise around. Check out this amazing quality camera for the ride. Oh, maybe I'm way ahead of it. And we're going to see how it goes. So check them out. Link down below. Be safe. Have a good night.